Okay, check it out. Been getting a lot of questions here about what I use to paint. Nah, I'm just kidding. Nobody cares what I use, but I'm going to show you anyways. I use this little Pelican can here, or bucket, whatever you want to call it. It's got a magnet to hold your brush. And it's got some liners, and it also will take a 4-inch roller. So here's going to be some action shots. It's got a nice handle. Working on some siding replacement here. So, you can load it up with a good, about a quart, maybe half a quart of paint. Get your little roller going. Knock out your big sections. On that paint there is called peanut butter brown. I'm just kidding. But this is an example of cutting in, so it holds my brush. I'm able to load up my brush and hit the edges. Now, if this was a different color trim, like on this side of the house, so I'm able to get the bulk done with my little 4-inch roller here, hit the cracks, and then I got my brush attracted to the magnet. But I'm able to back brush these cracks, and then maybe cut in a little bit. Let's see, I am holding the camera and trying to paint. Okay, get a little more paint. And, oh, sorry about that angle there. But, yeah. So, it's just a good bucket. Versatile. It's what I go to most of the time if it's bigger than small. But anyways, magnet again. Here's the cleanup. Check it out. Pull the liner. Throw away. Boom. All done. Pelican.